Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Andy Nguyen, and today we're going to be bag lubing springs. Right here I got a set of cherry 65 gram springs from TX Keyboards. I got some Krytox 105 oil, and I got a Ziploc plastic bag. The tweezers will come in hand later. The process is really simple. All you gotta do is take your springs, dump them in your bag, put a few drops on there. I would go like 5 drops, and then you blow it up, shake it up for like 5-10 minutes, and you're good to go. This is much more economical than using a loop deck, because in a loop deck you're doing a half drop every single spring. 110 springs, that's 110 drops, and that will clear this container really fast. But with this method, you're only using 5, maybe 7 drops, and you can cover the entire set of 110 springs. So here we go. Open up your bag. Open up your springs. Shake up your oil just in case. Open it up. Let's do 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more for good measure. 6. Close up your oil. This is the hard part. You close it up, but not all the way. Keep a little slit open so you can blow into it like this. Alright, so we got a little bit of my air in here. It's all warm and moist, but all we gotta do is take this and shake it. Try and do circular motions too to really get all sides of the spring. It's been a few minutes, so let's open it up and take a look. I can feel the lube on the spring, so I think we're good. And view closely, all that moisture on the bag is just the lube being spread around, so just make sure there's no clumps of liquid on the edge. But if you kind of went in the circular motion and covered every bit of the bag, you should be fine. And if you're unlucky, the springs will be stuck together, but you can just use tweezers, take them up individually, and just kind of use your fingers to separate them. And of course, as always, my recommendation is when you're working with Krytox, make sure either you wear gloves or make sure you wash your hands and do not ingest them. But that is the process for bag lubing springs. It's pretty simple, pretty economical, and really easy to do. And it's going to be less time intensive than individually painting every single spring. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you got some value out of this. Make sure you give me a like if you like this kind of content. Subscribe to see more. Click the notification bell to not miss any updates from me. And have a nice day.